EasyConnect within Signify Interact City is your plug-and-play solution to massively speed up even the most complex streetlight commissioning jobs. Let's see how it works. Overview. There are two types of controller nodes, link nodes and mesh nodes. Link nodes function just like segment controller gateways. They connect streetlights in a mesh and connect them to Interact via a cellular connection. Mesh nodes then automatically join the radio frequency mesh and use the link nodes to connect to the Interact system. Network setup. Setting up a network with Signify Interact EasyConnect is simple. A Zaga, NEMA, or 20mm conduit node is installed onto a luminaire. For every 30 mesh nodes, be sure to include at least one link node. Your luminaires should not be more than 300 meters apart, as each node needs to connect to at least 2 other nodes, and the maximum node range is 600 meters. To connect to Interact City, place a segment controller gateway or a link node within 100 meters of at least 2 mesh nodes. A segment controller gateway connects up to 1,000 mesh nodes, while for link nodes, we suggest placing 1 link node for every 30 mesh nodes. Installation and commissioning. Make sure the power is turned off before working on the luminaire. Install the mesh or link node by placing it onto the top side port of the luminaire. Firmly press down and twist it until it locks into place. Turn the power back on. The luminaire will turn on and light up to 100% brightness and may turn off after 5 seconds depending on the ambient light level. After that, a node marker with its geolocation will automatically appear in Interact City application. The associated luminaire asset information will also appear automatically for system-ready luminaires. No more QR codes to scan, and no manual asset collection required for system-ready luminaires. Please note, the markers typically appear between 20 minutes to 2 hours. Once the marker appears, convert the link node into a streetlight. Then select the other markers and use the context menu to connect them to the link node. If the luminaire does not light up or does not appear in Interact City automatically, check if the luminaire is working properly, the wiring and power connections are intact, the node is correctly installed and securely locked in place. The distance of the faulty node to the nearest neighboring nodes is within 300 meters. The distance from the segment controller gateway or link node to the nearest 2 mesh nodes is within 100 meters. 1 link node is installed for every 30 mesh nodes. Then switch off the power, wait 5 minutes, and switch it back on. Signify Interact EasyConnect streamlines the installation and commissioning of connected streetlights, minimizes the setup complexity, and makes your streetlight projects, large and small, as hassle-free as can be. Visit Signify.com to learn more about Signify Interact City and its industry-leading ease of use.